Student, and today in this class we have discussed the remaining application of that application of information technology, and in this class we have discussed about that IT in mathematics. It is that it is essential that the teachers and the student have regular access to technologies that support and advance the mathematical sense making, reasoning, problem solving and communication. Means with the help of information technology, that means there are the various application of that information technology, and one of that important application means IT in mathematics. Means with the help of mathematics that the you can solve that problem reasoning, you can solve the reasoning, you can solve that solving that reasoning problem and some communications. And the another the when the teacher use the technology strategically, they can provide the greater access to mathematics for all students. Fine. And in that principles and the standard of the school mathematics, the National Council of the Teachers of Mathematics identified the technology principle as one of 6 principles of high quality mathematics education. This principle states that technology is essential in teaching and the learning mathematics. So this is that one of the important application IT in mathematics. Fine. Now the another things that in that addition that study of the teachers implementation of that educational technology document that at least 3 or 5 years are needed for the teachers to become competent and confident in teaching with technologies. Fine. Now that another one, the computers in hiding. Another topic is the computers in hiding. To be a player in IT field, you need a lot of training. Even today, information technology is at work all around you, even when you are unaware of its contributions. In some cases, this is possible by that computer that are embedded in device. The computers work quietly behind the scenes while you interact with a simple interface or just passively watch the results. Large computer system you do not see. Many of your daily activities are actually interactions with the computer that you do not see. Means that airline reservation. You make a airline reservation, an agent enters your to a computer request into a computer, then computers will display all the flights available, departure and the arrival times. If you make reservation, you can do that reservation. Now the global positioning systems. GPS. The Global Positioning System (GPS) is a satellite-based navigation system that consists of 24 orbiting satellites, each of which makes two circuits around the Earth every 24 hours. These satellites transmit 3 bits of information. The satellites number its position in space, and the time of information is sent. These signals are picked up by the GPS receiver, which use this information to calculate the distance between it and the GPS satellites. With signal from 3 or more satellites, a GPS receiver can triangulate its location on the ground from the known position of the satellite. With 4 or more satellites, a GPS receiver can determine a 3D position, that is, latitude, longitude, and elevations. In addition, a GPS receivers can provide data of your speed and direction of travel. Fine. This is all about the global positioning system. Now you see that global positioning system developed by the USA Department of Defense. It is satellite based and designed to provide the positioning and timing information. It will work the 24 hours and day, or the 7 days or week, under any weather conditions anywhere in the world. So it will work the 24/7. And the GPS, I already told you that GPS is based on the satellite. Fine. Now the question is that how GPS works. There are the 3 things. The one is the receiver picks up the signal from the satellites. The second thing, use signal travel time to circulate distance to the satellites. Third one, triangulate to determine the position of the receiver. Now that application of GPS. There are the various application of the GPS. Some of them, the public safety. Public safety is one of the important application of global positioning system. The another one is the environmental resource agents. That fourth one is aviation. Next one is the military. Next one is the local planning. And next one is the business. And many more applications of GPS. So, for that exam point of view, the global positioning system is very important. So, my suggestion to all of you, please go just try to understand the what is GPS, how it will works, and what are the application. So we all are discuss, we All things we have already discussed with you, but still if you have any question query, please let me know. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.